Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create, import, and delete database in cPanel. So let's get started. So knowing how to create, import, and delete database from the cPanel is a very important skills for website developers and also cPanel users. So the first step is to log into your cPanel. Now you can log into your cPanel from your Harmon web hosting account from the client's area, or you can log into your cPanel from your web hosting provider account. So from the cPanel, we'll scroll down to the database section. Now from here we have my SQL database and my SQL database wizard. Now these two options here, my SQL database and also my SQL database wizard, can be used to create a database. Now, my SQL database wizard is a step-by-step tool designed for users who might not be very experienced with creating database. And this option is great for beginners or for those who prefer a more guided approach. Now, the second one, which is my SQL databases, is where you can manage your existing database. Now, if you're already familiar with database management and you want to create a database or manage an existing one, you can select this option. In any case, the end result will still be the same thing. A database will be created and you will be able to add a database user for that particular database. And in this video, I'm going to use the two methods to create a database, and you now decide the one you want to use. So I'll click on my SQL database wizard. So from here, you have the option to choose your database name. So I'm going to select mine to my DB, and you click on next step. So from here, you have the option to create a database user for your database. So here, I'm going to use my DB user, and here you can decide to put your password, but I'm going to generate a password. Then you click on create users. So from here, you have the option to select the privileges you want to give to your database users. Now you can select all privileges, or you can just select a particular privilege. Now you can also edit this later on if you want to. But here I'm just going to click on all privileges. Then I'll click on make changes. So with this, guys, we've successfully created a database. Now you have different options here to add a new database or to add another user to your database. I'm just going to return to my SQL databases. So from here, I can see the database which I just created recently, which says demotutorial.mydb, and also the privileged user assigned to this database, which is demotutorial.myyt database users. So the second method of creating a database is using my SQL databases. So I'll click on this. So from here, you can put the name of your database. I'm going to select my DB and I'm going to create my database. Then I'll go back. Now from here, I'm going to add. So before I add a privileged user to the database name, you can see the name of the database here. And you can see currently I have no privileged users here. So I'll scroll down to my SQL users to add a new user. From here, I'll click on the username and I'm going to generate a password. I'll click on create users. So with this, guys, we successfully created a database. So we're going to move on to how to import a database. And to import a database, you scroll down to the database section. You click on phpMyAdmin. Now from here, you'll be redirected in a moment. So from your phpMyAdmin, you have different databases here. So I'll just click on the one I just created recently, which is my database, which is my DB. So from here, I have the option to import a database. So you can see the options here. A compressed file must end in this format. So from here, you can choose the file, the database you want to import. Then you click on import. So my database has been imported successfully. So from the phpMyAdmin section, I'll click on my database. So from here, you can see the different tables assigned to my database name. So with this, guys, we've successfully imported a database in our cPanel. So we successfully learned how to import a database. So let's move on to how to delete a database. So from here, we'll scroll down to our database section. We'll click on my databases. So from here, I'll be able to delete the database which I just created recently, which is my DB. So we click on delete. So I'll click on delete database. So with this, guys, we successfully deleted a database from our cPanel. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any question or you need further assistance, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay updated with our latest content and helpful videos. Thank you guys.